In this video, I will show you how to add items to your Square Online navigation. First, log into your Square account. Once you're on your dashboard, you will see your analytics in the middle and your menu list on the left side of the screen. On your main dashboard, look to the right and click the Add an Item button. You will be redirected to another board. On the left side, click the search bar and type items. From the suggestion, select Item Library to open it. Once you're redirected, you can choose to create an item or import items. Click Create Item and a pop-up will appear. As an example, select Physical Goods and click Next. Then, enter the important details such as the item type, name, and description. After filling in the details, click Save on the top right corner. You will now see your new item added successfully to your item list. And that's how to add items to your Square Online navigation.